Ever heard of pneumatics? If not, no worries. You're probably using them without even knowing it. Pneumatics is just a fancy word for using compressed air to do work. It's clean, fast, and super reliable, and it's everywhere. Let's break it down. At the core, it works like this. Air is compressed and stored under pressure. When it's released, that air rushes out, pushing, pulling, lifting, spinning, all through pneumatic cylinders, valves, and actuators. So, where do you see it? In industry, factories rely on pneumatics to power robotic arms, conveyor belts, packaging machines, even air tools like drills and grinders. It's fast, repeatable, and can handle harsh environments where electronics might fail. In your car, ever used a tire inflator? That's pneumatics. Or the air brakes on a bus or truck? Yep, compressed air again. At the dentist or hair salon? That pump-up chair uses a pneumatic lift. Push the pedal and compressed air raises the seat. No wires, no sparks, just air. Even in fast food, soft drink dispensers and some fry machines use pneumatic valves to control flow. It's clean and perfect for food service. Why is it so popular? It's safe. It's cheap to maintain. And if there's a leak, it's just air. So next time you hear a hiss of compressed air, that's not just a sound effect. That's pneumatics in action. Want more engineering explained simply? Hit subscribe and stay curious. Global Electronic Services is manufacturing's #1 source for repair, sales, and service of all industrial electronics, servo motors, AC and DC motors, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Have a repair? We can help. Call or visit our website today. For more technical videos such as this one, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.